What's up? Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Austinator 243,
and I am Hayden 244.
Yeah, he'd actually not made his videos yet.
Yeah, I
but
know.
I'm gonna make a challenge called the Extreme Burp.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna burp.
No, actually,
there you go.
No, let's both of us will do it. I have two.
Okay. And so yeah, we're about to do this, and let's start it.
Let's get started.
I'll get this one.
Okay, we got two Pepsis.
And this is mine because I'm gonna burp this time.
Okay. Open.
Whoa, it's fizzy.
Oh my gosh! Stop it!
It's fizzy.
It's fizzing.
Oh my gosh, it's fizzy. Hold on. Pause it.
Okay.
Pause the video. Okay, we're back. So now we have.
Okay, quick edit there. Hayden, the little squirt, had to go to the restroom, and I had to too.
Yeah,
So
we are gonna drink these bottles in 20 seconds.
We're gonna drink it, the whole can, make the loudest burp as we can. Ready? Go. Oh, it's too cold.
Oh my gosh. I can't.
I'm sorry, I'm acting weird. It's too cold.
I'm acting weird too.
Stop it. Oh my gosh, you're spilling.
Oh my god.
Don't go laughing, just drink.
I can't. I can't.
I gotta say, people, these Pepsis aren't the only ones here, so we're wasting it.
Yeah, we're wasting it. We're gonna do another video after this. It's a jalapeno video.
Jalapeno? We don't have jalapenos.
We're gonna do jalapenos later after this video.
Oh, we don't have jalapenos. We're not gonna do that, people. We don't have jalapenos.
Okay, we're not gonna do that. We are gonna do some things right now, so, but not yet. And also we're gonna do, what is it called? I don't know, but we're about to do it right now, but not yet after this.
Okay. Maybe the next video, we will eat a wiener, but they're booby trapped.
Yeah,
they'll be really spicy.
Yeah, really spicy, and we're gonna do the spicy video, right?
Later after we're done with these.
Yeah, well, after we're done with these, but it's making my hands cold.
My stomach.
I told you, don't eat
My
it.
stomach is like full.
My stomach is all.
It's kind of blurry. Stop it. Okay, quick edit there. Hayden, that was what dropped the camera. So let's continue.
I'm so sorry, YouTubers. And also, I'm a YouTuber.